Okay, and now it's time to talk about our problem set and get you guys some freebies. So we are doing Lesson 6 problem set. It's the one that has all of these tiles. So the directions say each square represents 1 square centimeter. Draw to find the number of rows and columns in each array. Match it to its completed array. Then fill in the blanks to make a true equation to find each array's area. Okay, so first thing I need to do is I need to look at my first column, my second column, and then my third column. So I will tell you, these two go together. These you have to find the match for. So we're going to look at problem A, and we're going to see if we can find its match and then solve the multiplication sentence. So I know that the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has 6 square centimeters. I know this because it tells me that this is a centimeter. By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, just like our second array. 5 square centimeters. Now what I need to do is I need to find the completed array that matches this. So I know that that's 3 centimeters. No, that doesn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, oh, that one doesn't work. It's 6 by 4. Oh, that's no way. 1, 2, 3. No, that one doesn't match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is my completed array. I am going to draw a line. You don't have to use your ruler. I'm just going to because I like to. To say this unfinished array matches this completed array. So now I need to create the equation that matches this completed array. So just like here, I'm going to label my sides 6 square centimeters by 5 square centimeters. So now all I need to do is what's called plug and chug. I'm going to do 6 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and we just did this, so we know that 6 times 5 is 30 square centimeters. So there's your first freebie, A to here. There it is. Now let's talk about problem number 2 on the back. Sheena skip counts by 6s to find the total square units in the rectangle below. She says there are 42 square units. Is she right? Explain your answer. Oh boy. Now we have to figure out what my side lengths are. Now I can't really tell from the top. I can tell the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 square centimeters. And I can tell the bottom. And we know whatever is happening on the bottom is the same as on the top in a rectangle. So I can tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 square centimeters. Now I need to find my multiplication sentence. I'm going to do columns by rows. And 8 square centimeters times 6 square centimeters gives me 48 square centimeters. Wait a minute. It says Sheena got 42 square units. Oops, I forgot to RDW. Never too late. Is she right? Explain your answer. Well, there's my work. Is Sheena right? No. Sheena is not right. 6 square centimeters times 8 square centimeters is 48 square centimeters, not 42 square centimeters. Okay, follow the same process on 3 and 4. If you find yourself spending more than 5 minutes on either of these, you can skip them. I do expect the front page to be completely done. And I expect at least number 2 to be done, because I just did it for you. If you struggle with 3 and 4, that's fine. Give it a try, and then you can move on.